from Igbo man now.
Which state?
Anambra.
So between Igbo and Yoruba, who like money pass?
Igbo man like money, Yoruba na thief. Igbo people they make the money. Yoruba na thief. Who they be? Now money they be. Now for bus stop they stand. They get work. Now the women and they work.
Igbo like owo. You don't make anything. In anything, to buy the pattern owo kò sí tí Igbo lè ṣe.
Igbo and Yoruba who lack
money pass.
Money pass. Igbo don't go for Oga. Igbo don't go for see Igbo. This Igbo don't go for Igbo.
So you thought say Igbo like money pass Yoruba? Why you thought say Igbo like money?
Because Igbo like order now. Igbo they all do it.
So Yoruba they sleep for house?
Yoruba no feel order like Igbo.
Igbo àti Yoruba ta ló like owo jù?
Igbo ẹlẹ́jẹ̀ ni wọ́n lórí owó. Igbo ẹlẹ́jẹ̀ ni wọ́n ọláìkò owó. Ọláìkò owó. Ọ̀gá. Ó tẹ̀ ní news kan ti ń kà. Tẹ́pọ́ ní ó dàbí China. Àwọn 530 something wọ́n ṣẹ̀wọ̀n ní China. Igbo ló pọ̀ jù ní wọn. Ní fún àwọn tó ń gbé drug. Wàhálà Igbo ló pọ̀ jù ní àwọn ọláìkò owó.
Between Igbo and Yoruba, who like money pass?
Yoruba no get strength to, but they like money, but they don't get strength to make money. Now Igbo people sabi make money well.
What do you think?
Nah, waiting e be, no be saying na waiting I think.
So between Igbo and Yoruba, which one say like money pass?
Na Yoruba people now. You don't know.
Mo sẹ́ni tí ò láìkì owó bàbá mi o. Gbogbo ara láìkì owó. Yorùbá ni o. Yorùbá náà láìkì owó. Yorùbá láìkì owó.
So between Igbo and Yoruba, which person you say like money pass?
Igbo like money pass.
Why you say Igbo like money pass?
Because Igbo no fit sit down, they look make another person.
Between Igbo and Yoruba, who you say like money pass?
Anambra and Igbo now.
Why does it not?
Igbo they also money well, and the Igbo like money. Yoruba like money, but they don't like Irish Igbo. Igbo like money well.
How they feel?
Confirm now. Abakaleke now confirm. Now we we like money pass every other tribe for this Nigeria.
Why you talk so?
If you come for Igbo, every morning from morning, if you reach like 4 o'clock now, you don't come up house. We talk about business, and their business is all about money. So there is no how we will compare Igbo and Yoruba man in terms of money. No how. We are always the number one.
You be Yoruba man or Igbo man?
I be Yoruba man.
So between Yoruba and Igbo, who you say like money pass?
Igbo now.
Why does it not Igbo?
Nah, Igbo like money pass. Yoruba you know the reason apart family. Igbo know the reason like na money the reason.
So what did they talk now? We say Igbo don't like their family.
Yes now.
They don't care about their family.
Yeah.
Yoruba like money pass now. People they talk say we like money, but now I know see say I know look and say we like money pass. So.
What do you talk now?
They talk say Igbo like money pass, but I know look and say na Igbo like money pass.
Why you talk say I don't like money?
I don't know. For me, I don't like money. As when I talk say we like money now, we don't like money.
Igbo man are Igbo man now. So between Igbo man and Yoruba man, who like money pass?
Igbo man, I like money now.
Why does it not Igbo man like money?
I mean, as a Igbo self, I like money. Igbo man like money pass.
So now what do you think be that?
Yeah, I think be that.
Between Igbo and Yoruba, who like money pass?
Now they say Igbo like and pass, but nobody no need money for this life.
They say
after God na money.
Hey!
And say owo ni koko.
So I see they talk now. After God, for people now after God na their mama. You don't say after God na money.
After God na money. Kind of friend come out for here.